Don Quixote top 3 maid outfits. Don Quixote is a very famous store in Japan which is everywhere. There, you can find cute outfits for your cosplay, Halloween or any other events.
Kawaii is pop culture from Japan. Don Quixote outfit is low cost and authentic. You only need to buy one to make a full body outfit very suitable for beginners. Start ranking.
Pretty maids!
Oh, that's a maid!
Yes, an orthodox maid outfit. But the small apron and the short skirt are the key to the Japanese kawaii point. You gotta do that.
I love the contrast between the black and white.
I know! And if you wear white socks, you will look more and more kawaii. That's Japanese.
I wish I could go to a maid cafe in Japan. Moe moe kyun!
Let's go! It's the rabbit maid.
Oh god, it's got bunny ears!
Yes, the rabbit's ears are in a catsuit. It's so cute. A little tie, the plaid apron. Oh my god, it makes me feel like a cute little animal.
Animal ears and girls is a very popular combination in Japan.
Even though the skirt is very short, it doesn't bother me at all because I'm wearing stockings.
Oh, those rabbit ears are so cute!
I know. It's a grey long maid.
That's one girly maid.
I know, the grey color is so pretty. You can wear it in style with some makeup.
A real horror in the air would be cool too.
I know, and with just one of this outfit, you have the perfect coordination.
I always thought of maids as cute, but this cool look is nice too.
Yes. So, what did you think of the maid outfit clothing ranking? Did you like it? If you like any of them, please save the video and you can buy it later. And if you have any other recommendation, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.